Hello friends, today you will learn how start Python coding. Let's start. First you should install Python in your PC. Click first link given in the description to go to python.org and click here to download Python latest version. After that open your search bar and search cmd and go to command prompt. Type here Python and hit enter. If you install Python successfully, you can see Python version here. Now you can code here. But I recommend you to use VS Code Editor as your code editor, else you can use Python IDE. It's already installed with Python. Go second link in description to install VS Code Editor and click here to install it. After installing, open it and click this icon and search Python. After that, install Python extension. After that, go there and open folder to save your Python file. After that, create new file with .py extension. Now you can code here. Follow these steps and open new terminal and click here to run your code. Now you all set. Happy coding!